True, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. You know how it is. I just want to say a quick shout out to everybody that's showing me love, liking, commenting, subscribing, especially on my YouTube channel. I have just hit 200 subs on YouTube, and for that, I thank you so much. Today we are watching Te Wharekura o Ruatoki. Let's get straight into it, eh? Did you skip their Waiata tira? Yeah, I did. And well.
Mai! Tūhau! Kara kia toki uri, toki na mai! Toki uri, toki uri, toki na mai! Aku aki nei, ki taku toki nei. Kara irai toki ki, kara irai mōkaka. Mōteatea toki, I mani krine. Mōteatea toki, I mana kai.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna start off with. I usually don't like the whispering stuff here. These guys can do it. Cause they're all just going hard. Like, look at the bro. 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 Going hard. Grab that dusty stuff and put it in here and run it back to the song. Ooh, Deutsch. Have a listen now. Have a listen, have a listen. I told someone to drop that puppy here. Oh, they're all full baby, yeah. Look at the bro there. Bro's just full baby. Why are you in the back, bro? Why are you in the back, bro? Yeah. bit of sauce on that, sister. That Mōteatea wasn't too bad, eh? It was just boring. That's about it. The waterworks going. Oh my gosh. Buddy, we gotta run that back. Do something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, even that, bro. There's a oh my gosh. The little subtle notes that they're adding, bro. Holy heck, man. Holy heck, that one was a heavy one, G. I think that one was the closest one to get me start tearing up and just like, yeah. Woo! Let's get it, girl. Ooh, Tanya in the back. The boys are a little bit out of time, but the Waiata is making conversation. Eat. I don't like this part. That whistle note there. Haunting me again. Here we go. Doiks. Pane. Pane ma. I'm looking forward to this one there.
Ruatoki, maumahara tonu ana. Ko tātou rua manama whitu. Whakarana rā kutarina.
I love his mitai.
Whiawhiawhiana. Tāra.
That's cool. Doite. Whoever was telling me that these fellas were bad, you're lying. Ruatoki was mean. They were probably one of the better groups, to be honest. Ruatoki, gee, take my hat off to you. That's a solid 8. Like, honest to who, wasn't even bad. Bro, that Waiata ā-ringa, probably one of my favorite items I've seen. Emotion-wise, that Waiata ā-ringa took the cake, gee. All my whānau out in Ruatoki, gee. Shout out to you, brothers and sisters. That's pretty much it for the rest of this video. If you enjoy more content like this, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, road to 1,000 subscribers. Until next time. Sure.